Alright, so I have here the Bastion Brazo, the full 8 ounces. And even with the slightest flick of my finger, that blade, the weight of that blade against the lever will just open on its own, like most flippers. Right? And here we have the persuader as well. A little bit lighter, but still the weight of that blade. All of our flip actions are not spring loaded at all. It's just the weight of the blade that opens them. And when you make a smaller 1.5 ounce flipper keychain knife, that blade does not have enough weight to flip on its own. So what we do is we'll add a little bit of a wrist flick. And that'll open it right up. Same with the cleaver. If we stay stationary and open with just our fingers, not enough weight behind that blade, but if we just flick that wrist just a little bit, I'll open it right up.